During the lockdown due to coronavirus, many companies have launched free courses. While some of the courses are quite good, some of them are average, and some of them are poor. In today's video, we are going to take you through a very promising course which is launched by Accenture. This course seems to be quite awesome and is available completely free of cost. In today's video, we will tell you all the details about this course, from where you can take it, how you can take it, what are the subjects available, what you need to do to take this course. So watch out this video till end to gain complete insights. Hello and welcome back to your own channel Career Swami, which helps you with your career journey. If you like what you see, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive future updates. Also, our Hindi channel Career Swami Hindi is available, where we upload career and education related videos every day. So if you are someone who love Hindi and want to enjoy career and education related videos in Hindi, do subscribe to the Hindi channel. Thank you. Accenture has launched this digital course in partnership with Future Learn. What is Future Learn? Future Learn is a digital education platform which was founded around 8 years back. It is a MOOC learning platform. If you are not aware of MOOC, MOOC is massive open online course. Future Learn is quite a popular MOOC learning platform. And who doesn't know Accenture? Accenture, which employs more than 400,000 employees worldwide, is a IT service behemoth who has some good products under their belt as well. Okay, let's dig into the course now. So this is the course homepage. I will provide the link of this course homepage in the description. Go ahead and check it out. So about this course, this is a course providing digital skills, and the courses are an interactive series of courses which will help and prepare you to build the digital skills necessary to gain a job or start a business. Now do remember guys, most of these organizations are paying huge attention on digital skills. Even if you are a fresher, the salary offered to a fresher possessing digital skills is very different to the salary offered in case if you don't. So this is an awesome opportunity. I would encourage you to enroll in these courses and make the best use of it. Let's go in these courses one by one. So there are a total of 8 courses. These are short online courses. As you can see, all these 8 courses are digital courses. The first course is artificial intelligence. In this course, you will learn to discover the ability of artificial intelligence to transform your everyday life and reshape the way you work. Total duration of this course is 3 weeks, and you will have to spend around 2 hours per week to accomplish this course. Next course is on digital marketing. So here you will learn different digital marketing strategies and techniques that are available for businesses to use. So it's a very important course guys. You can also start working part-time if you acquire good digital marketing skills. Next course is on the mobile side, where you will learn mobile design, development, creating mobile experiences, as well as concepts related to mobile technology. Next course is on the retail skills. So here you will learn how digital technology is impacting retail industry and what it means for customers. Guys, most of these courses are 2 to 3 weeks of duration, and you will require an average of 2 hours per week to complete these courses. So I will not repeat these instructions again. Next course is on social media. So in this course, you will learn how to use social media for business, from creating a social media presence to measuring success. Next course is on the UX side, which is learning how you can better the user experience. This is extremely important, and there are very limited good UX engineers which are available in the market. Here you will learn how to research and design the basics and the tools and testing techniques used in UX. Next course is on the web analytics skills. Here you will learn the role of analytics in business, the type of analytics and techniques used, and why they are important. Next course is learning on how digital is changing the world of work and how you can successfully grow your career in the digital age. So as you can see, all these 8 courses are quite good courses, and you will require around 1 to 2 hours per week to complete these courses. I would recommend you that you enroll in all 8 of them, else you enroll as per your choice, because 8 courses 2 hours per week, that means it will not be more than 15-16. 8 courses 2 hours per week, that means it will be around 15-16 hours per week. So if you divide 16 hours by 7 days, you will have to spend around 2.5 hours every day to accomplish these skills which are taught in these courses. Now let me show you how you can enroll in these courses. I will take one course as an example. Let's take digital skills retail. Click on find out more. Once you click on find out more, you will also be able to see multiple details which are associated towards that course. You will also see the entire topics, what you will be learning in each week, and from when you can join, what you are going to achieve, who is this course for, who are your teachers, who has developed this course, what all is included, and at the end you will see that you will be receiving a PDF certificate once you complete the entire course. To join this course, you need to click on join now. Click on join now. Once you click on join now, you will be diverted to this particular page. Here you need to provide your details to register. So let's provide the details. First name and then the last name, the age, let's choose 18 or over, email address and a password. Password should be minimum 8 characters and you need to click on register. Once you will register, there will be a link which will be sent out to the email where you need to confirm your email address. Let's open our email and confirm. So you need to sign in your email account. So you would have received an email like this where you will be asked to confirm your email address. You need to click on this button which says confirm your email address. Once you will click on that button, your email address will be confirmed. You will have to do it only once. And you can see now that we are enrolled to this course. Now we can go to the course. So you can see the details. Week 1, we are in week 1. So what all articles and videos are available in week 1 are all being displayed. Okay guys, so this is how you can enroll in all the 8 courses if you want. It is quite a good opportunity for all the freshers and students, and also some of the people who are planning to start their business or want to do part-time work. Go ahead and enroll in these courses and make the best use of this opportunity. We wish and hope that we come out of the current difficult times soon. Thank you for watching and best of luck in what you are doing now or what you would like to do. Friends, we have launched our new book with the title Cracking the Job Interview. This book can convert your rejection to success at job interviews. The book will benefit any present or future job seekers across any industry and domain. The book is available across all countries on Amazon. Also, you can read this book for free by subscribing to Kindle Unlimited Trial. Please check out the description for more details. Thank you once again.